There, this is John Archie. Today we're going to react Kunimitsu and his brother on Yoshimitsu. This is where let's react this. This to Kazuya and Jin. Arsenal dual face. Double punch. So what do you have here over there? Oh, such a quiet place is that. Similar to the Hihachi place. Store up there. Such a familiar. It's not a reboot. I mean, it's not a reboot for that. It's a prequel timeline. Oh, I get it now. Flying Rajin, flame power, more kasama ninjas. I like that. Not bad at all, not bad. Sa, tatagay do Kenga Gengai no Jutsu. So well, this is Kenga Gengai Jutsu. That's it. Nice.
Ready for the next battle.
Okay. Let's get what you have. Enchanted PDF. It's a book. Book hand design ninja. I know the series as Naruto. I get it.
Section 8. You challenger.
Those hand design as Naruto Shippuden was similar. Do, Sai, Ken, Dose, Ko, Maken, Hai, Sa, Te, Katon, Okakyonakisu. Rasengan. Nice. I made that. No, I made for me. More than Kunimitsu. Kunimitsu. The ninja muscle. Nice design in the body dress. Oh, what do we have here? Kunimitsu versus Yoshimitsu. His own brothers. Such a face for TV. Oh my god, why is Lydia over there? God dang. Mother dang. Sir, dear Lydia, is Kunimitsu strong than you all? Dang. God dang brutality. Not bad. Teleportation jutsu, Raijin technique. Not bad. Raven and Kunimitsu and Yoshimitsu master it. Sa, Hikozune, Kunimitsu ne. Let's go to you. Kunimitsu. Oh my god, what the fuck? Why is Shari over there? Who's put in this? God damn. Motherfucking of that. Sorry guys, I was critical of that. Feel. Okay, show you. You will beat. Try your best if you can. Win or lose. God dang, why is Jin over there? God damn motherfucker. God damn, what the fuck was put in this director and producer put in Jin? This Jin is poor asshole that. Just look at the Jin. His body is shaking around. Shit. God damn. Who's the put is that? God damn over that. Oh my god, just look at this Jin flow thing. It's exploding. God damn. Kunimitsu is good to you. Jin, fight your back. Come on. Okay, it's beat up. God damn, what's put in this? Sa, Yameru ka, Reinen Shima. Tatakayo over na.
ああ、聞き捨てならんな。勧誘のつもりか？
Oh my god. Reina, you have no matches. Konemitsu. This is what you got for.
副会長だ。
That bodies combo. Nice. Wait, it's just a similar mods? No, maybe of that. Wow, this sword's flame power. He's like a Kazama. More than me flame power lightning. I get it now. He master it. Wait, what the fuck? Is that a devil Jin? Is similar then? What? It's not canon, it's a prequel. Timeline. What? Defense shield? The barrier of that? What? I get it now. So, tatakayo wala. Shimarina. Kanin sa besiyat.
これからもずっともでいましょうね。レイナさん。
Yeah, Reina. What's up, Serena? Kanin sa Reina.
父のもとで修行をしていたのはあなたですね。
Let's see if you're worthy to be called a ninja.
Oh, here we go. Kagebunshin versus Konemitsu. Nice. Here we go. Raven Ninja versus Konemitsu. Nice, I like that. Nice one, Konemitsu. Yosh. Cartoon. Okakyu Jutsu. Fireball. Fireball Jutsu. Puff. Raven, you have no match for them. It's Hanzan Ninja than me. Well, he mastered even before. Not bad. Why are you... What the fuck? Why are you back there, Raven? You're a piece of shit, okay? You're just wrong. Goddamn. Raven, next time, think you're not fit for that. Goddamn, it's a brutal down. Sheesh. Wow, speed teleporter. Nice. Nimbo? I know that fireball. Cartoon. Okaki no Jutsu fireball. Fireball matches Jutsu of them. What? Nice. It's both back there. Nice.
命の花を散らしましょう。秀吉、クワガタ！
Samurai burst technique. Speed teleportation.
終わりです！
Konemitsu Hikazu. Nice one. I like that. Oh, what the fuck? God damn, she's brutal. Brutal chess. God damn.
最後の仕上げとしましょう。おえ？
What is that? The blue and red? This is mine blue. The blue flame. How did she get that for me? Wait, I forgot for that, sure. And flame Jin Kazama. Nice. Nice. Well guys, it was nice for this guys. And who the fuck put this Jin Kazama and the beat is down poor body. And Lydia. Goddamn, motherfuckers. Who put in this please don't be please put in this. Paul Berry someday. Please, okay? Please director, please, okay? such a waste of time for me. Tekken 8 Season 3 character Kadamso. May 27, June. Oh, my birthday is June. Nice one, nice one. My birthday is June 16, 2007. Nice one, nice one. 2 years of that. Well, this cushion looks like. Oh, what the fuck is that? Is that a Ferraro Azazel skin? God damn. God damn. Whose boat is this? God damn, just look at the skin. Ferraro Azazel Temple. Nice, I like it. Let me rate this. 9.9 to 10. Nice.
怪盗クリニック
This one is my board. Is 9 over 10.
誕生日です
Nice one. Unlock Bob Roger. And what's this? I'm this final. Miguel Rojo. Let's see what you got. Vinishoka. The new season 4 you have. Oh, my bad. It's Combo Breaker. May 24. I get it. Well, guys, bye bye. Ay, wait. There's no heard about this about John Kazama, is it? Well, that's me for that, John Kazama. I learned to unknown for that. The long years of being of that. Well, I'm not imposter. I'm John Archie. More than John Kazama for me. Well guys, it's bye-bye. I right back. Oh, this one plays character. Oh my god, yeah. Are you hurt, girl? Are you hurt? God damn directly. Who is this? God damn. Lucky for you, Hiachi, you got beat your ass. So your name is Ed, asshole. Now does it bye-bye. Now does it bye-bye. There, that's mine. There.